Michael is looking for a savvy way to invest, despite taking every measure and precaution possible, as well as employing several different types of investing firms to handle his money. Trying to game the market and predict bulls and bears has ultimately left him roughly where he started. His peers have told him the same things over and over again. Steadily increase your investments over time, stay put, and don't worry about market swings. But the truth is, Michael can't just ignore market swings. If part of the market is going to perform really well, he has to be a part of it. At the same time, if there's going to be yet another crash, Michael wants to know so he can protect as much of his money as possible. Above all else, Michael wants something consistent. He has a family, assets to maintain, a future to plan for, and the expansion of his personal endeavors. In order for him to achieve the kind of financial peace of mind and competitive advantage he has always dreamed of, he needs to seek a robust investment opportunity tied to something world truly needs, not just a trend. That's when Michael starts to hear more and more about investing in people. Like all the great investors of our time, a long-standing sentiment has always been the importance of investing in people who run a service rather than a service for the sake of the service. Right as Michael's thoughts continue to focus on the idea of finding the right people to handle his money, he sees the oil prices have remained low all throughout 2015. That, he thinks, is what market opportunity is made of. He talks to his financial advisors, who can't profit off of oil and gas, so they tell Michael that it seems risky. But Michael is smart and does his homework. The statistics don't lie. Sooner Project SPV-1, an oil and gas exploration team in the U.S., has been expanding greatly across Oklahoma, acquiring $50 million in assets and delivering multi-million-pound turnkey projects in the last 18 months. Even though the oil and gas market affords all different kinds of advantages that investing in conventional markets won't yield, that's still a track record worth watching. Michael is still a little skeptical. He thinks of Texas first when it comes to oil and gas. Oklahoma, as he learns, has over $1.019 billion in reserves. He smiles. Something about this is starting to come together. Now that his interest is piqued, how can he get involved, and what benefits will oil and gas give him? First, Michael can rest assured by the Sooner Project team that drilling will continue, giving him quarterly payments that perform at 10 to 35% higher than the competition. Why? Sooner Project operates smarter than the competition. Multiple oil and gas wells increase productivity and decrease risk. Drilling in shallow areas reduces risk, and the low entry level means Michael can invest and reap dividends without sinking the lion's share of his portfolio into oil and gas, although he may find that it's not such a bad idea. With all these benefits in mind, Michael decides that it's time to invest in the U.S. with the best oil and gas industry and Sooner Project SPV-1 Limited. Now that the oil is starting to rise, Michael sees the benefit. It's as if this market is volatile proof that all markets suffer bears and profit from bulls. Michael dives into Sooner Project's $50 million acquired asset opportunity, investing his own stake in the fourth phase of drilling planned for the new leases. With the oil market looking like it's rebounding, things are looking prosperous, he says to himself. As his payouts begin to come in every month, Michael looks at his family, his portfolio, and relaxes, confident that not only has Sooner Project has taken the measures to assure years of success to come, but that an incredible team worth investing in will stay at the helm. To speak to a member of our team, please call 0203 455 2704.